these, you see these lady's fingers here? So these lady's fingers are a variety called Burmese giant. So what's very interesting with the Burmese giant is that in this sort of agroforestry, we lose one resource, and that resource is light. You know, there's tapioca, there's papayas, there's fruit trees, there's drumstick spinach, bananas. You lose light. But this plant here, it grows up to 3 meters. I'll show you an example. And it grows in the summer rain, puts its roots down. Then it grows through the northeast monsoon, which is the winter rains, and it puts its root even more down. And it actually finds the light of its own accord. So the more plants you have that can adapt to the shade, that's very valuable. And this, it'll grow like the rosella. When we just throw the seeds everywhere, it just come up everywhere. This year we're planning to do this with, I don't know if you heard of seed bombs. We put it in a little clay bowl and we sow it everywhere. So it'll just be everywhere, you know, and abundance. You know, so much, we can't even sell this. Fortunately, we have 100 people eating every day at the cafe, so, you know, we can cook with it.